As judge affords me the opportunity to try to have a positive influence on young people. I guarantee that Reese will never forget her day in court, and I truly hope it helps inspire her to go on to become a great lawyer and maybe even a judge. She definitely seems to have the knack. Are you ready, Counselor?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Susanna Cotter for the defendant.
That the defendant has been before the court on several occasions and has had several dispositions regarding his conduct. In this case, he was at the intersection of Darren's and Washington Streets. Police observed the subject banging on car windows that were stopped at the red light at Darren's and Washington. He was showing his middle finger and then using profanity to female drivers, so he was charged again with aggressive panhandling. Inspector Quinn, the defendant, to my recollection, has been before me several times. Are you familiar with his record?
Yes, Your Honor. I'd say that Fulmi's probably been in this courtroom probably 9 times within the last 3.5 months. There was an arrangement made with the defender's office that we were attempted to work with him to get him into some treatment program, but apparently that fell through for lack of insurance. Counsel had advised me of that this morning. But, Your Honor, we have several times allowed this gentleman time served because of the time of day when he gets apprehended. He spends 15 to 20 hours in the cell block here. But lack of the treatment, Your Honor, the city's going to have to start asking for some time served at the ACI.
Counsel, you want to be heard on this?
Yes, I would like to say...
Well, first of all, how does he plead?
Nolo. But it's from a real lack of access on our part.
It's always nice to blame the state.
I'm not blaming the state.
For other people's conduct and say, well, you know, it's the state's fault. But I'm thinking of the motorist who was being threatened and harassed by him. This is not an isolated incident. He's been, as Inspector Quinn has indicated, he has been there several times. And we've heard the same argument several times. I think we're going to have to send him a message. I'm going to send him to the ACI for 5 days. And if he comes back again, it's going to be 10. And then if he comes back again, it's going to be 15. In the meantime, we'll see if we can get him some help. I'd love to get him some help, you know, but...
Thank you, Your Honor.
Right now, we have an obligation to protect the public interest, public health and welfare, so.
Your Honor, is that 5 days on both cases?
I beg your pardon?
Is that 5 days on both cases?
I'm going to do it, I'm going to serve him concurrently,
Okay.
5 days. Now, he's getting a break because I can send him to 30,
I know that.
all right? But I think we have to send him a clear message that the days of him coming in here, we say, okay, he served the night in jail, we're going to give him a break. Right, those days are over. Good luck to you.
All rise and hit subscribe so you don't miss the latest viral moments like this one. Share these videos and weigh in on the cases. You be the judge. Subscribe now.